Mainly for any positional option trader, there are two ways to trade. One is having a directional view and other are non-directional trades. In non-directional trades, there are different strategies, and once a trader is non-directional, that doesn't mean that market will also be non-directional. Obviously, we need to have good adjustments in place. Now, there is another way in which a positional trader can slightly anticipate the market. Is it possible that we set up such a trade that, okay, if things go right, it will be a decent profit, but if things go wrong, there will be a very small loss or no loss, or there can be a minor adjustment which can prevent that loss also. So in today's video, we will see that, okay, if you are anticipating a little bit of direction, not too much, but little bit of direction we are anticipating, and then if the trade goes right, what happens, and if the trade goes wrong, then what happens. Welcome to another video by the Option School. This is your friend Pradeep Singla. In this channel, we talk about safe and hedged option trading strategies and best possible adjustments. You can also join our YouTube WhatsApp community. Link is given in the description. Now, today I am going to explain you a very good strategy using only puts. I am not using calls at all. I just want to see how many of you can identify the strategy and give me in the comment section that, okay, this is the name of the strategy. Let me take you to January 1st, morning 9:30, and market is at around 26,188. Now, as I said, market is almost all-time high. Can I say that, okay, yes, from here it can really go up? Then we can have a different setup, and there can be another trader who says, since it is almost all-time high, I do expect that market can go down from here. So we will try to analyze both the scenarios, one of them in this video and one of them in the part 2 of this video, right? So let us say first I am doing a scenario where the traders anticipate that, okay, market will go down a bit. So this is again a monthly trade. What I will do, market is at 26,188, and I'll just go few points below the spot level and I will buy 26,000 put, right? I will just buy 26,000 put and I will sell 25,800 put. This all of us know is a bear put spread. In this, my maximum loss is 2833. Now, what I would like to do is I would like to reduce this loss. So I will go further down and maybe I will sell 25,600 put, right? And I will buy 25,450 put. Now, in this trade, if you see, I am giving around 80,000 rupees to the market, and my maximum loss, whatever happens to the market, my maximum loss is only 1,900 rupees. And this is again in case market really shoots up, then only this loss will happen, and there are ways and means to take care of this loss also, right? So there can be definitely a situation wherein market goes up and we are still able to adjust this, and this loss is not 1930, it can be just 300-400 rupees also. So the main benefit of such a strategy is that, okay, my loss is pretty less, but in case things go in my favor, I can make even 11,000 rupees. Obviously, we are not looking for something like 11,000 rupees. We are looking for that, okay, on a 80,000 rupees margin. If I am able to extract, let's say 2% will be 1,600 rupees, 3% will be around 2,500 rupees, then definitely this is a good trade. And for making that 2,500 rupees or making that 3,000 rupees, I am taking a very small margin risk of 1,900 rupees. So risk reward is 1:5.7. So that is a great risk reward kind of a strategy. I think most of the time one can do these kind of trades. These are very good trades, and this can definitely give you a lot of consistent returns if done properly. Better reach and visibility, I'll request all of you to please click on the like button and subscribe the channel if you have not subscribed it so far. Each and every like is very precious to us. Now let us run this strategy and see what happens. Do we require to do any adjustment? First we will see do we require to do that or not. Let's say on day 2, I am having a very small loss, 59 rupees only. Market has gone down slightly, and good thing about this is this blue line. This blue line is in my favor in case there is a big fall in the market. This is going to be really good for me. And in case market goes above 26,300 or so, then it will be challenging. Next day, okay, market has gone to 26,300 and now I am losing 449 rupees. Nothing as much happened so far. So I said, okay, we can still continue in the trade. Next day, a slight fall in the market and we are making some 124 rupees. Next day, again you see a very small fall in the market, and this blue line is coming to my rescue. Although if you see the break even point, my break even point is 25,971. Market is at 26,121. So even then I am making money. So that doesn't mean that okay, this unless until this break even point comes, I will not make money, because obviously this break even point is talking about expiry day. On expiry day, which is 30th of December, if market is above 25971, I will lose. But if market is below 25971 on expiry day, I will definitely make some money. How much money? That all depends upon what is the closing level of the market. Next day, let us see. Okay, market has tanked a bit. So I am now making good 889 rupees, which is more than 1% of the profit possible in this trade. Okay, now I am really touching a sort of a sweet spot. Market has gone down a bit and I am making 2.4%. So in how many days? Only in, you can say, 9 days, we are able to fetch 2.4%. This can be a good exit point also. But then again, biggest strength of this kind of strategies, I know that, okay, my maximum loss is very limited. Even if I have done 10 lots, my maximum loss is 19,000 in 10 lakh rupees, right? So that is giving me a lot of courage to sit through the trade and try to see that, okay, if I can get some better profit, then I will definitely try to capture that more profit. But let us say I have done 10 lots, maybe for 5 lots, I will book my 2.4% and then I will continue the trade for balance 5 lots, right? Next day, okay, market has tanked down, market has gone below this hump, but since my blue line, it is one of the best points on the blue lines, market is giving me 2983, which is 2.8% profit. Slight increase in margin you can see, mainly because VIX might have increased with such a fall in the market. But then still, even with this kind of a margin, I am making decent 2.8%. I am only on 12th of January. Not even half the month has gone. This is an excellent result. So here, why this result is coming? Because the trader anticipated that, okay, market can be slightly bearish, and market happened to be bearish. So if my anticipated direction is right, obviously then I have all the right to make money. Next day, okay, slight recovery in the market, 2483, good profit. 2860, 3191, very good profit, and market is sitting at a very sweet spot for this kind of a trade. Obviously, we will not keep the trade till expiry. As soon as we are getting some profit, we will definitely book it. Okay, 3972, excellent profit. Again, my logic is that with very minimal risk, I am making this profit, right? Next day, 4297. I can't expect better returns than this, and I have not done any adjustment at all. So this definitely becomes a good tool for even working professionals. That okay, you know what is the maximum damage, and that damage is going to happen only on the expiry. But before that, there can be many scenarios where you can definitely book some decent profit. So I will close this trade at this point. I would not like to take this trade till expiry, because even a few points of up move can totally destroy my profits, right? So this trade has worked really well for me, and just for academic sake, we can definitely go to expiry and see what happens. Okay, market has tanked down. On downside, there is no risk at all. I am least bothered about any down move of the market, because it will give me profit only. Now it's okay. 23rd, it's still very good. Market has really tanked down. I am getting only 1768. Okay, this is the expiry day, and even if I see on the end of the day, it is still giving me 1% return. So obviously, when I am receiving a profit which is more than 2.5% or even 3%, it has gone to almost 3% also. That is the time when I should definitely be booking my profit. So this was the trade where the trader expected the market to fall, and market fell also, right? So same month, if I say for the month of January itself, if I anticipated that, okay, market is going to rise, and I create a similar kind of a trade, and now we know that, okay, market is going to fall. So what will be my maximum risk? What kind of adjustment I can do to remove that risk or to reduce that risk? We will definitely see in the part 2 of this video. Meanwhile, all of you need to tell me what is this strategy. So we have done a workshop in iron condor, we have done a workshop for iron butterfly, and we have done a workshop for calendar spread also. In all the three workshops, we are telling you exactly what kind of entry should be there and what kind of adjustment should be done and when it should be done and when to exit the trades, when to lock the profits. Plus, we have shown you 12 months of back testing. Now, lot of requests are coming. I will say you do not require all the three strategies. Maybe first you try only one strategy, or maybe if you are more comfortable, I will say best is to try with iron fly. Iron fly is a strategy with least risk, right? You try that, you understand that strategy, do your own back testing, and then you trade. Once you feel confident that okay, this strategy and now I'm comfortable, then you can go ahead and buy the second strategy. Even if you buy the strategies in parts, not required to buy in one shot. Even if you buy in parts, still we will be offering you a decent discount on the overall cost of the strategies. So if you are really interested in buy these strategies, please contact the numbers given on the screen. I am leaving you with very interesting adjustment strategy. Hope you will definitely like it. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel for more such videos. Thank you and see you again in the next video.